Folks, I wanted to talk about these casters. These are pretty awesome invention. So what you do is you can mount it to the side of whatever you've got, whether it's a drill press, a table saw, a workbench, whatever you need. You mount it on there, and obviously you put the caster in here, put the lock washer, bolt it in, and it's got a mechanism that this locks so that it rolls, and when you want to lock it down so it doesn't move, you just kick it with your foot up, and the caster goes off to the side, and the bottom won't roll. Now, we were compensated for our honest review of this, so let me show you how we put it together and how it works. So you can see I got this template here, basically line the holes up. I pre-drill it just because I don't like drilling into wood, so get your holes exactly where you need based on this template, and this is beautiful because you can reuse it on all four sides. Now, obviously the silver piece needs to go toward the bottom because that is where you're going to screw the caster in itself. Here's the bag that has all the screws, the nuts, the wrench, everything you need to assemble this thing together. Line it up with the pre-drilled hole, and I secure that in place. Now I'm ready to put the other four in there. I'm ready to get the caster itself and put in there, and of course you're going to have a screw post. It's going to have a lock washer and a nut. Here's what she looks like once I get it done. So now we got it all in there to go. You're going to take your foot and you're just going to flip it to where it needs to go. This is, if your hands are full or you don't want to have to bend down, once it's there, you can take, it's not moving anywhere. It's on the ground. You take your foot, push it down the roll. Take your foot, go on the underside, flip it up, in place. It's not moving.